In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your accounts on Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step to see all of your accounts in Roblox is to first open up your preferred web browser. You're going to use any web browser you want to go to the Roblox website where we will be able to see all of our accounts. So type into the web address bar or open up a new tab and search for the Roblox website on Google. Go to www.roblox.com. You will be redirected to the main login page. In here, we have the option to sign up or to log in one of our pre-existing accounts. To see all of our accounts, all we have to do is click the login button at the top right corner of the screen. We will be redirected to another page where we can click Forgot Your Password or Username to see all of our Roblox accounts. After clicking on Forgot My Password or Username, you will get a prompt telling you to input your email to recover all of your accounts. By setting up your email here in this prompt, you will receive a message telling you of all your accounts. I hope I was able to help you on how to see all of your accounts on Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.